I'm Greg Hayes, Chairman and CEO of United Technologies. And thank you, Abadali Nimichwala of Wipro, for challenging me to participate in BRT's Embracing Sustainability Challenge. United Technologies is a global leader in two industries that have a major impact on sustainable development. First is aerospace. When you take your next flight, chances are that the plane's engines, brakes, landing gear, or more are from United Technologies. As one of the largest suppliers of aerospace systems in the world, we want to ensure that the future of flight is not only safe for passengers, but designed and manufactured with sustainability in mind. That's why we spent $10 billion over the last 20 years developing the geared turbofan engine. It burns less fuel, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and has a much smaller noise footprint than the comparable engines. Our engineering and design work impacts aircraft from nose to tail, incorporating the use of lightweight materials, more sustainable parts, and exploring alternative fuel sources. Today, there are more than 29,000 commercial aircraft in service, and that number is expected to nearly double over the next 2 decades. So in our view, enabling sustainable aviation is not just the right thing to do, it's vitally important for the health of our planet. We also play a leading role in the buildings industry. We're the company behind well-known brands like Otis Elevators, Carrier Air Conditioners, and Kidde Smoke Detectors. Our innovative solutions are found in homes, commercial office buildings, and landmarks around the world. From the Eiffel Tower in Paris to the Empire State Building in New York to the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. We were an early pioneer in many areas of sustainable building technologies. For example, more than 20 years ago, Carrier led the air conditioning industry in phasing out ozone-depleting refrigerants. We know the products that we design and build today will impact society for decades to come. And that means using the latest digital and IoT capabilities to create solutions that are more intelligent, efficient, and environmentally responsible. We recently opened the Center for Intelligent Buildings in North America, where we showcase to our customers what smart, sustainable solutions look like, how they work, and the benefits that they can provide. And it's not just what we build, it's how we build. We are manufacturers with more than 370 facilities around the world that are constantly setting new standards for environmental, health, and safety operations. Collectively, over the past 20 years, our factories have reduced greenhouse gas emissions by more than 1 million metric tons. We've saved 3 billion gallons of water and brought innovative thinking to the prevention of workplace injuries. All of this during a period of unparalleled growth in our businesses. We're proud of these results, but we're not done yet. Every 5 years, we challenge ourselves to set even more aggressive goals. To ensure the innovation and economic growth we're driving on behalf of society also serves to protect our planet's scarce resources for generations to come. That's some of what United Technologies is doing to embrace sustainability. Now I'm going to challenge Eric Foss to share Aramark's story.